Okay, so we're going to select K4 through K12. And on the Home tab in the number group, we're going to click the dialog box launcher. And then, if necessary, click the number tab. So number tab. And then click the date in the category. So, see if I can move this over a little bit. Alright, on the Home tab in the number group, click the dialog box launcher. If necessary, click the number tab. This is the number tab. It was already selected. And then the date in the category, and then click 3/14/12 in the type list to choose the format for the selected range. Alright, let's just make sure. Click OK. Now select the range C4 through C16. C4 all the way to C16. And then click the center button. And then click cell E4. And just check and make sure yours looks like this one. Okay, select the range to contain the accounting number format. So E4 through H4. And we want it to contain the accounting number format. Alright, so we're going to select E5 through H12. E5 through H. And I'm not sure why it's doing E4. Let me do it right down here. E5 through H12. And then we want J5 through J12. Alright. And then we want to click the comma style button. And that's going to put us commas in there. Select the range D4 through D16. And then click the comma style button. Alright, just to review, we just, let me go back for a second. We did the accounting format for E5 through H12, and then we did D4 through D16 and did the comma style button. D4, so you can see the commas when they're needed here. We're going to keep moving on. If you see any mistakes, if I skip something, just kind of go through and make sure that yours is correct. Select the range E4 through H4, which I think we did this already. E4 through H4 in this case, and then Control F3. But I think we've already done this. We've already put it in the accounting number format. I think we're E5 through H12. Let me just double check here. E5 through H12. We did the comma style. Okay. And then we also did J5 through J12. And you can see the commas there. Now we're going to select the range D4 from here all the way down to here. And we're going to do the comma. And if we've already done this, just disregard it. I'm trying to get back to where I was. Okay. So E14 through H14. E14 through H14. And then J4, J14 through J16. Alright, and we're going to click the Home tab, and then in the number group, we're going to click the dialog box, and we're on the Numbers tab, and we're going to click Currency, and then we want the 1234.10. 1, 2, 3, 4. This one here. In the negatives numbers list, to select the desired currency format. And then we're going to click OK. And then it has the floating dollar sign. So just double check that yours is starting to look like theirs. And it looks like didn't select everything I needed to. E14 through H16, and then J14 through the J16. Alright, we're going to select the range I14 through I15, so right here. And we're going to click the percent style. And then we're going to click the increase decimal button. So in the number group, we're going to do the increase decimal button 2 times. Alright, now we're going to select the range D4 through D12. And we're going to click the conditional formatting button to display the conditional formatting menu. And we're going to click the new rule on the to display the new. And then click format only cells that contain in the select a rule type area. In the edit the rule description, click the arrow in the second box. We're going to do the greater than. And alright. And then we're going to click in the rightmost box. So if you click in the rightmost box and then type 70, you're going to enter that value for the rule description. And then you're going to click the format button to display the format cells dialog box. And we're going to click the font tab to display the font sheet. We're going to click the color arrow to display the color gallery. And we're going to click column 1, row 1. And then we're going to click the Fill tab. Let me make sure I did that right. Click the Fill tab. Alright, when we get to the Fill tab, we're going to click the purple color in column 8. Right here, I believe. Row 1 to select the background color. Let's see if that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And then we're going to click OK. Alright, let's make sure we have that right. And then we're going to click OK. And we're going to click anywhere in the worksheet to deselect it. Alright, now we're going to drag through column headings A, B, and C. So here. Okay, right here. A, B, and C. Point to the boundary on the right side of column C to cause the pointer to become a split double arrow. Alright, double click the right boundary of column heading C. Okay. Point to the right boundary of column H heading above row 1. And we're going to drag it until the width is 10.38. And I don't know if I'm going to be able to get it exactly. So what I ended up doing is, if you, let me cancel this to show you, but if you, I think it's if you double click, or right click and then do column width, you can type in 10.38. Alright, click the column D heading above row 1. So right here, to select the column while holding down Control, click the column E, and then the column 1 heading above row 1. So E heading and then the column I heading. Point to the boundary of the I heading above row 1. And we want the, let me fix that, I messed that up. E, click column D, and E, and I. And then I would right click and do the column width. And we want 10.5. Okay, release the mouse button, change the column widths, click column F and G. While holding down Control, click column J and drag to select column K. Drag the right boundary of column G until, and I'm just going to do it this way, 11.13, and press OK. And we'll pick up here in the next video.